What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Dogecoin. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with some fundamental news that might affect the price of this coin. And at the end of this video, I will show you my technical analysis and the probable forecast for the price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we broke the 0.65 level with this week and bounced back and hovered for quite some time in around 0.5 level. And my main assumption was that we have to hover in between the level of 0.5 and 0.65 for quite some time, and then we have to have one more leg to the downside, because we have to finish the entire movement to the downside with our C wave. And basically it happened. It happened exactly as I predicted, but my main assumption was that we shouldn't break this previous low, and in this assumption I was definitely wrong. But as you can see, we hit exactly the level of 0.786. It is a Fibonacci retracement level from the very bottom right here to the very top. And this level is very important because it is almost the last level of Fibonacci that might hold the price for its trend reversal. And we finished all 5 waves structure right here. This means we have one wave on a slightly bigger scale, and this means we have to retrace the entire movement from this bottom to this top. And it worked perfectly well, and in several minutes I will show you what to expect next from this coin. But for now, let's continue with the sentiment for entire crypto market. And we are on coinmarketcap.com, and for now we have the total market cap of around $1.9 trillion. It's down for about 8.22% during last day, and we have all major cryptocurrencies in red. As you can see, it is a bloodbath for the entire crypto market. And even on a 7 days period, we also have a huge decrease in price for the majority of main cryptocurrencies. And let's continue with the Dogecoin. For now, it has a $27.68 billion in total market cap, and it's down for about 4.48%. And its total tradable volume during the last 24 hours is $2.27 billion, and it's almost doubled during the last 24 hours. So we have a rather harsh price action during the last 24 hours because of massive sell-off, and let me show you why we have this price action. So we are on Motley Fool, and this article was published on September the 20th, and it's titled "Why Dogecoin, XRP and Polygon are plunging today?" And let me quote you a couple of paragraphs. Over the weekend, US regulators said they were investigating Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, over allegations that it was exploiting customers via insider trades. Binance facilitated close to $32 billion worth of trades in the last 24 hours. In addition to that, cryptocurrencies are trading in tandem with the overall stock market, which was heading lower Monday due to the collapse of China Evergrande Group, the second largest real estate developer in that country. As of mid-afternoon Monday, major US indexes were down by between 2.5% and 3.6%. The current situation highlights the idea that cryptocurrencies are not hedged against stock market pitfalls. Instead, they are up to 10 times more volatile than stocks with shorter bull-bear market cycles. So, it was quite objective reasons why we have this sell-off, and what should we expect? Dogecoin is the most at risk of further declines due to its significant volatility and its tendency to attract scrutiny from regulators. This is because of the abundance of Instagram influencers and celebrities who are shilling for the meme currency, either at random or in coordinated attempts. So, Dogecoin is still a meme coin, and that is why we have to be cautious, because it has a huge volatility. As you can see, from this top of the B wave, we are down for about 37% during just 18 days. So within a couple of weeks, Dogecoin lost more than 1/3 of its value, and it's quite significant losses, but it is a very good opportunity to enter the position. So let me remind you that I nailed all the major movements of this coin, and that is why you can rely on my technical analysis at least as a part of your due diligence. So, and before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. First of all, guys, let's start with Bitcoin price chart, because Bitcoin is the catalyst for entire market. And as you can see, we had this massive sell-off, and basically during last 3 days, Bitcoin also lost about 17.5% of its value. But this latest candle is very bullish. As you can see, we started to move lower. We broke several support lines that I drew from the end of May and mid of June. And we broke it with the flying colors, but then we bounced back. And this candle is extremely powerful. If we will have huge volume with this candle, and as you can see, for now we have almost 21 hours to close this candle. And if it will be at the same shape or even with the green color, so we will close it above the level of its opening. And right here you can find under the O letter, you can find that it was opened at $43,025. If we will close this candle above this price, this will indicate that we are very bullish from this point, and this will indicate potentially a trend reversal. So this means all other cryptocurrencies might have a trend reversal at the same point, and Dogecoin might have this as well. So, and what should you do if you want to enter the position with the Doge? Basically, in my opinion, if the C wave is already completed, we might have a trend reversal from the level of 0.786, and it might be a very good support line because we have a confluence level with this bottom. It is pretty much the same level, the range in between $0.19 and around basically $0.196 and $0.193. So it is quite a tight range, and this range might hold very well. And from this point we might have a trend reversal. So if you are risky enough and if you want to add your position right here, you can accumulate your position at this point, because we might have some consolidation phase in between the 0.5 and the 0.786 levels. So in between of $0.225 and $0.1989. And while this consolidation, you can accumulate your position. And if you are a long-term investor, just buy and forget about Dogecoin, because from this point we have more possibilities to go higher, because we have very good movement to the upside with a decent volume, and it might be the first initial movement from this bottom, from this previous swing low. And as long as this pivot holds, we might have very good price action to the upside. And what are our next target? Definitely we have the same target. Major target is at the level of $0.44, and from our current price we might have about 112% to this target. But first of all, we have to break our previous resistances, and it is this swing top of the B wave, and it is around 53.35% of potential profits, and this one, and it is the point of around 0.35 cents, and it might be about 66.27% of potential profits. So in my opinion, it is quite a good entry point for you, even on medium term or long term investment, and that is why you can rely on my technical analysis. But first of all, do your own due diligence. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!